Welcome to Frankies Tiki Room, the ultimate tiki experience in Las Vegas, Nevada, located at 1712 West Charleston Boulevard in downtown Las Vegas. This place is very old school. Founded in the 1960s, it has been around for quite some time, and they feature over 77 different tiki-inspired drinks with 17 originals. The drinks cost about $12.99, and these drinks are potent. They actually list it on a scale of 1 to 5 skulls to let you know how much alcohol intake you will be taking in. For a little bit more, $29.99, you can get one of these custom tiki mugs that includes the drink inside. They're very sturdy and heavy, very nice collector piece. If you have a tiki lounge at home or just want something cool to sip your drink out of when you get back from Las Vegas, this is definitely it. Here's two more I'm showing you right now. The ambiance here is amazing. They have bamboo lining everywhere. They have 100-year-old blowfish. They have giant wooden tikis. If you want to have a good time in Las Vegas, this is a place to go. Oh, by the way, it is open 24 hours, so if you want to show up at 8 a.m., 1 a.m., 8 p.m., definitely a good spot. Many good drinks. Don't let the basic appearance outside fool you. They have a minimalist appearance outside, but the inside's amazing. Staff's great. Highly recommend it. Check it out. Do me a solid, hit the trifecta, like, subscribe, notify, and check out some other videos.